My name is Prince Madan. I read in 9th standard in Public Senior Secondary School, Radu. As you know, India is facing many disasters such as earthquake, landslide, flood, railway track broken, etc. From this disaster, I had made an disaster alert pro for main disaster that occurs in India. My project is consists of four main concepts such as earthquake alert system, fire alert system, flood alert system, and railway track broken alert system. Firstly, we will talk about earthquake alert system. What is earthquake? The sudden shaking of the earth, it happens when the tectonic plates move here and there inside the core of the earth is called as earthquake. To make an alert for earthquake, I use a battery, a buzzer, a coil of the wire, and a switch. It works when the earthquake comes, the base moves here and there like this, and wire touches the coil of the wire, then the buzzer starts ringing, by which we get an early warning system of earthquake. Next is fire alert system. As you know, many industries, factories, houses are destroyed due to fire and people are died due to fire. To make an alert for fire, I use a buzzer, a battery, a temperature sensor. It works if the fire reaches or touches this temperature sensor, then the buzzer starts ringing, and if there is no fire, then the buzzer will off. Next is flood alert system. To make an early warning system of flood alert system, I use a battery, a buzzer, a soil moisture sensor. It works when if the flood reaches more than to its maximum limit of height, and then it touches through soil moisture sensor like this. Then the buzzer will start ringing, and if the water remains to its minimum level of height, then the buzzer will off. Next is railway track broken alert system. As you know, railway accidents become more common in India, by which many people are died. To make an early warning system of railway track broken, I use a battery, a IR sensor that stands for infrared sensor, and a buzzer. It works if the railway track is broken from any side like this. Then the buzzer starts ringing, and if the railway track is good, then the buzzer will off. By which train driver can get the instruction of railway track earlier, and he can stop the train, by which many people's lives can be saved. Thank you for giving your precious time, and I think we should adopt these disaster alert measures in our future. And if you want to implement these disaster alert measures, so you give me contact and your name. We will contact to our school staff, and they will provide you these measures.